playing Slime RNG again. I thought this was a boring game, but now I like this game. This is super fun. So, what upgrades can I buy? As you can see, I am a decent player for someone who just started like 2 days ago. So, I did not really play. Yo, what is this? You like it? Because I have studies to do, my tuition. I have to do Hindi. So, hold up. Let me put it in this line. I just learned there are admin abuses or just game. So, if I have the time, I will try to go to admin abuse. I want to revert again. I feel a bit sick. Not as much. So, I hope it's gonna be better in a few days. Could somebody tell me how many balls are there? Because I want to know. See, there's so many. I cannot. I wonder what this does. This do. I'm only 20 rolls away from a diamond roll. Look, I look ultra fat. Yo, I just. I'm just destroying them. After that's so bad there. I don't really know how to edit. not actually that good. Well, decent, obviously. Good. That's lame for a... That's lame. That's so bad. I guess I would be ungrateful and not be a BRAT. Am I allowed to say that? No, I will not say that. If you're the kid and don't know that word, do not say it. Just do not say it. I just sing that. Oh, and you will get in school. Come on, I wanted to get 16 times love. Let me climb it. Let me climb it. Let me try to do ball I want to buy this. Finally, heaven. So, yo, what is I got? Oh, it's a fruit. Yo, that's a good one. Can I put 2 fruits and one? Okay. Then give it to me. Yo, I want 100 million already. And how is that not enough to buy even a single thing? That's what I mean. That is lame. there's something else I can click on. Enemy rush. What does one cost? Yo, this is a good one, right? Right? No, this is not a good one. Even the accelerator. That's actually a decent one. It was a bad one. Two guess. I didn't play this one. Oh, this is the food that I got. Yo, what is this? Yo! I'm giving you food on Monday. So cool. I don't see ninja. Look there. Oh yeah, these enemies are cooked. This one. No, I want to. I want to give. I want to give these cheese. Now active this one. Let me see what upgrade can I use. Now I will get more money because I will destroy enemy faster. Building? Oh, what is that? Oh, it's just a potion. Yo, Ultra Luck potion? I never seen that potion. What is that? Probably someone just. Is that Reaper? Ah. Yo, look at. I thought they're floating. That is cool. Okay, let me see what. How much luck does the golden one? Golden, 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 golden. Oh, 800,000. Yo, it's for best. How are you gonna be in my team if you don't have an account? Okay, okay. Let me climb this. I can see no end. But this river will almost double my luck. But then I will can continue my offline money from here. From just one without existing. I guess I will save my time. 459. So bye guys. Let me take this. Super. So bye guys.